What is going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and today I'm going to show you how to make wood wheel stands for your project car. All right, I just wanted to say something before we hop right in the video because I forgot to mention it while I was filming, but the total cost of all this is very, very cheap, right? I had enough 2x4s to make one wheel stand, but the other 9 2x4s that I went out and bought only costed like $34. So I could have easily have bought 3 more boards and stayed well under 50 bucks. And, you know, I had screws laying around, but a box of screws, you know, it's not that expensive either. So I just wanted to mention that. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, I like wood wheel stands because I think they're safer than jack stands, and they get the car a decent height off the ground, and you can do a lot more work underneath. And again, it just feels safer, right? And they are pretty sturdy, and trust me, I would choose these over jack stands any day. I got a set over here that I already built, and you guys seen them in lots of videos. And pretty much you cut the 2x4s into 16-inch sections, and if you buy 8-foot length, you're going to need 3 of them to get it up 9 tall. I think that's the perfect sweet spot for how tall you want them. But you know, if you have a jack that can get the car up a lot higher, I would go for higher if you can. It's kind of up to you, really. So literally, you just pretty much just measure out 16 inches all the way down and cut them up, and then I'll show you how to assemble them. All right, I got 3 8-foot 2x4s all cut up into 16-inch lengths. So now we got to assemble the base, and then just keep stacking them at this point. So let me get them all set up how I do it, and then I'll show you real quick. So you pretty much want to set 4 2x4s kind of like this, get them as square as possible, and when you're ready to start screwing them together, pretty much you just want to step on the 2x4 just to hold it so it doesn't turn on you. So I'm gonna grab some screws and get a couple in so we can pretty much start the whole process here. Now, once you get your base like this, you're gonna grab 2 more, and you're gonna remember where you put the screws, and then you're gonna do the, you know, opposite pattern pretty much. And don't worry about the ends cracking. It's just gonna happen. There's nothing you can really do about it unless you pre-drilled the holes, but that's doing way too much work. Trust me, it is very sturdy still, with the end being a little split. I have, just to show you, I mean, I got a tons of 2x4s on these old stands that have split wood, and those stands are solid as a rock, so don't even worry about it. So I'm gonna grab 2 more and just keep stacking and screwing screws in, and that's pretty much how you really build them. So when you get to the last 2 for your wheel stand, I like to just put the screws right in the middle so you don't really have split ends. I think it looks nicer, and you know, again, the top 2 boards is going to be where your wheels are sitting on, so you know, if you can minimize the splitting, that would be ideal. And that is how you build wood wheel stands for your project car. So I'm going to build the last 2 and finish this project up. By the way, everybody, I got the Camaro back, so there's going to be a lot of videos of the Camaro coming up, but I gotta get my finger out of the camera. But thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.